right, you guys, line of credit. All right, line of credit. You go with a bank, you ask them for a line of credit, right? They give you some money, you put it aside in a separate account, and you can borrow from the money, do whatever. Interest rates are gonna most likely be better than what you get for a hard money lender. You keep the line of credit, you don't ever pay it off, you keep it at $1 so that you keep it open 100%, and you borrow from it pretty much to get things done. That's how most people do it. They pull a line of credit, and it's a little bit better than using a credit card, and you can pull out the actual cash from it, which is great. So how do you use a line of credit to buy a house? Well, the obvious one, right? If your line of credit's like $50,000 and you find a property that's like $30,000, you would pretty much just go ahead and use that to pay it. The other way you could turn around and use it, and this is called the velocity method. I can go ahead and do a video on it on Discord. Subscribe to us. Link should be somewhere on the bottom or after this video, and we'll go over it in greater detail. Long story short, you'd pretty much use your line of credit money, pull it out, and use it as a down payment for a conventional loan towards a rental property. And as you get the rent paid back, you use that to pay back the line of credit. You turn around and get another line of credit. You borrow from both of them to go do another down payment for a bigger house, and you get two, payments coming in, and you just kind of trickle. It's like a snowball effect, right? And then by the end of it, 1 month's rent or 1 year's of rent would pay off one line of credit in a breeze. I think it's like in a month or something like that. But we'll go into greater detail for another time. Line of credits are great though for bridge loans, right? For you turn around and you do the rehab on a property because you bought a property, you underestimated the rehab, or you fell into uncertain times. Sorry. For instance, we had the time where the price of wood just skyrocketed, right? So flooring went from I was getting about 50 cents a square foot to jumping up to like $2 a square foot, and then having to combine with military discount and everything to get it down to like $1.50, right? So if you didn't plan for that happening and then it just jumped up and then stayed up there, if you have a line of credit, that could help you out a good amount, right? So lines of credit, it's good for if you use the velocity method to turn around and buy houses and use the BRRRR method later on, or if you just turn around and use it as a bridge loan for a rehab while you're doing a fix and flip. Either way, it's pretty useful, all right? Peace.